That's a nice day. Low key, the tip of the line was freighted, so.
Yeah, I saw it too. I didn't change it yesterday, actually.
It feels like he's gonna come off. Damn, this guy's not tired. This guy. Not even that big. He fought better than the other ones. Dang, he got attacked. You want it? Alright. Yo, this one is good. I think it's a black drum.
It's a current though.
Alright, but still. It's a black drum. Yeah.
Don't net it yet. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the thing you have. Yeah, there. Black drum. Alright, don't hold it.
Well, I'm gonna let him do whatever he wants.
Let's see what's there. I probably see you stay there.
Right.
Stay there, Carlo.
It's in the corner of his mouth.
Yeah, there you go. That's a baby.
Yeah, it is. You got it? Right there. Yeah. Yeah, they fight good. Huh? Yeah.
Why?
What you mean why?
Oh wait. Hold it.
Nah, man, don't even do that. Stop playing. You don't need to do all that.
20 pounds. You got a message, man. You sure it was 16?
16 pounds?
Dude! Black drum. Here, Brian.
Put it right there.
Just open it.
Almost got your thing, Carter. Not bad. I don't know what it is. It's a good one though. Feels like he's not hooked. Good. It's a black drum. Man, I wanted a snook.
Probably small. I think it's the gun over here.
It's a big. It hurts.
Well, man.
Mm.
There you go, sir.
Ooh, that's a nice one. It's madness. Oh yeah, this one is big. Wait, let me try to get this out of the way. Yeah. What is it? It's a black drum.
Hey, that's a red. I'll give you some. That's a drum. Yeah, black.
Yep, Carlos, help him out right there.
I get it.
Oh, you got it? Yeah, I'm gonna let this one go, man. Nah.
I'll take your Lucas family. There, that's it.
It's a little one. It's a mangrove. That shit's fat though. I'm ready. Yeah, I need to get some good shots.
Take it, bro. Take it. You know you want it.
They nibble, huh? You got him?
No, ahorita vamos a descansar nosotros un ratito. Vamos a comer algo.
What is it, a snapper? Pinfish.
Sí.
Cross with his line. Oh no, he don't got one. He don't got one, Carlos. No? No. Yeah, this one.
Carlos, this is your redfish, Carlos. Alright, you give me it. Carlos, yo creo que va a comenzar a correr. Nah, you got enough.
Nah.
Alright, you good.
Alright. Yeah. We don't know, man. Could possibly be another snook.
Here, hook back.
Yeah. See right there.
Bro, they went big.
Yeah, it
What
is.
is it? Yo, there's a redfish there. I'll tell you on my black ring.
Alright then.
Wait, easy on him though. You only got 10 pounds.
Alright, bro. No, me voy a enredar, me voy a enredar, me voy a enredar. Oh, yeah. Dile que no jale, que no jale. Me voy a enrollar.
If he goes over, you just go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. I hope that's a redfish, bro.
10 libras el hilo. Tienes 10 libras nomás.
Come to the front.
Yo, hit the back.
Over 10 pounds?
Yep.
No, the line.
The line is 10 pounds. No.
I hope it's a redfish.
Nah. Or maybe. Watch it be like a little snapper.
No, hell no.
That'll be funny.
Like that way.
That'll be funny though.
Ladyfish.
Nah,
That's probably a big drum, I think.
Dang, it had a big
Redfish.
Wait,
wake.
no, I can't see it. Wait.
Ooh, big drum.
Big drum.
Oh, that's a huge drum.
Big drum.
That's your 1 over 27 probably.
Yeah.
That is huge, man.
They caught that little drum over there.
Okay, sorry. You're out, Carlos.
Yeah, just tire him out, dude.
Yeah, it's big. seems tired.
Wow! Look at that! ¿Cómo hilo de 10 libras? No lo quiero reportar.
It's a big drum. Yeah.
Hey.
Alright. I gotta go to the back.
Victor, let it go. Victor, let it go.
Let me get to the back of it. You gotta push him this way and then let the turn take it.
Yeah! Look at that! Damn.
That thing is so fat.
Yeah. With the little thing too.
Dang, yeah, that one's big.
Lift it up.
Is that your biggest?
Riley, yeah.
I got it.
There you go. Hey, Shorty.
Congratulations.
Alright, you can cut it off.
Look, Jesus.
You got a measurement on it?
Very fast.
That's nice. I got it.
Good fish, son.
Bro.
Yo, this could be a redfish.
No, not yet.
Yo. You want the trolling motor on or not?
No.
Look at that ref here.
It's gonna stay.
Yeah. Well, you threw it next to the mangroves or what?
Yeah, in the shade.
Yeah. That's good.
It's gonna go down. I really hope it's my redfish.
It's a redfish. Yeah, it has to be. Or it could be a snook.
I already saw it.
What is it?
Looks like a flash.
Nah. Oh, I see your hook, but I can't. Yeah, it's like a. Nah. Oh, it's a snook.
Snake.
You got it? You got it? No. Hey, take your time with it. Hey, man, that's. Nah, bro. Yeah, lip it, man.
Oh, lip it. Hold this.
I got you. He's not gonna. He looks like he's not gonna freak out. Oh, yeah, never mind.
No, bro. Don't let it go.
You got it? You got him? Hey.
Let the line loose.
Dang, that's big. And the DOA, huh?
With that?
Yeah.
In the shade.
Mangroves.
Got him.
It's good. Yo, get a pic. Nice.
Give me a picture.
Big. What is that, like 30?
Let me put these on.
Look at me, baby.
It's a nice look.
8 pounds. 8.5.
8.5?
Beautiful.
8 libras. 9 libras.
Alright.
Bro, I need to picture.
You want a picture?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
We can keep it right.
Yeah, I have to.
I take it.
No. I don't want to.
You want it? Look at this.
You want a picture, man?
Yeah, man.
Not in the shade. Beautiful. Alright, can you record the release?
Yeah, I got you, man.
Record the release. It's already recording.
Lip it.
Ask them if they want a picture with his snook. Jesus, you want a picture?
Oh, what a beauty, man.
You want a picture? You want to take a picture?
Yeah, he's good.
Close and sister.
To this camera too, boy. Hey.